A 2019 BMW 430, okay? We're gonna reset the oil change reminder. This video is also gonna be able to show you how to reset inspection and the brake fluid, okay? Any of the services, it's gonna pop up. So what we're gonna do is, first thing we're gonna do is put the car into power mode. Right now it's totally off. There's no power to the cluster, no nothing, okay? So turn the car all the way off first, and then with your foot off the brake, engine start stop once. All right, power everything up, okay? You can see right here that this guy says service is due. Okay, so we're restarting that, all right? So what you wanna do, sometimes you'll have problems resetting this if the menu's not up right, correctly. So if you hit the BC button, what we wanna do, what I found to work pretty much all the time, is to go ahead and get it to where it shows you the date, okay? And make sure the date is correct. If the date's not correct, you're gonna need to correct that. All right, so we have the date pulled up. Now go to the trip button here, press and hold it down until the service menu pops up. All right. So here's the service menu, you can let go. Now if you hit the button, it'll run through the services. And the one that's red is the one that's due. So we're gonna press and hold it down on brake fluid. Let go, and then yeah, we wanna reset that, all right? We wanna get that message to go away. And it says reset in progress. Okay, and this is pretty much how you reset any of these that are due. All right, engine oil has already been done, okay? It says reset impossible because it's already been reset. So if you need to do your oil change, you would do it right here. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could. And I hope to see you again in another BMW video.